Did you know that cows are secret climate influencers? Yes, these gentle giants produce methane, a greenhouse gas 25 CV more potent than carbon dioxide. Each cow can emit up to 220 pounds of methane annually, mostly through burps. This quirky fact highlights how livestock farming significantly impacts climate change. Imagine a cow's burp contributing to global warming. It's a surprising reminder of how interconnected our ecosystems are. So next time you see a cow, remember its hidden power. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories like this.